What if your next package could be delivered by a drone, guided by advanced artificial intelligence? Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, right? But it might soon be our reality. Imagine a world where delivery drones engineered with cutting-edge AI zip across our skies. With each passing year, this technology is becoming more sophisticated, and its potential to revolutionize the delivery service industry is hard to ignore. These AI-powered drones offer numerous benefits. They can significantly speed up delivery times, navigating through traffic and obstacles with ease. Their efficiency is unmatched, capable of operating round the clock in all sorts of weather conditions. And perhaps most importantly, these drones can dramatically reduce human errors, ensuring that your package arrives safely and accurately at your doorstep. But how does this technology function? What makes these drones so smart, so efficient, and so reliable? Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI-powered drones. At the heart of these drones lies the fusion of artificial intelligence and sophisticated engineering. But what does that really mean? So, let's break it down. AI-powered drones are equipped with a plethora of sensors, including cameras, accelerometers, and gyroscopes. These sensors collect data about the drone's surroundings and feed it into the onboard computer. The drone's computer, in turn, uses something called computer vision to interpret this data, essentially giving the drone a pair of digital eyes to see the world around it. But seeing isn't enough. The drone needs to understand what it's seeing, and that's where machine learning algorithms come into play. These algorithms allow the drone to learn from its experiences, improving its performance over time. For instance, it can learn to recognize obstacles and to navigate around them all by itself. Alongside these, the drone uses Global Positioning System, or GPS, to know its exact location on the globe. This is crucial for autonomous flight, as it helps the drone to follow the most efficient route to its destination. Now, you might be